Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Princess Udori and I am back with another video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be doing a very nice makeup inspired by the whole Christmas season. So yes, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to go off camera and draw my brows, and this video is going to be like a voiceover kind of video. Yes, okay. So let me go and draw my brows and come back so we can continue, okay? Before I go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any single video from me or any content that I upload. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platform. On Instagram, I am Princess Udori. On Facebook, I am Princess Udori, my page. My account Casino Udori. So yes guys, just make sure to follow me because I have like other updates on there. If you don't know, I'm wearing a top. So if you are thinking, we get with my Ferrari concealer and just use that as a primer or a base for my eyeshadow, applying the concealer on my eyelid and making sure to blend everything properly. After blending that, I'm going in with my Pond's powder and just use that to set my eyelid. Guys, I literally did not pack my things properly coming to where I am right now because I thought I was going to be here for like a while and just go back. I didn't pack my things properly, so my setting powder that I packed down was already finished. Okay, I'm going in with my favorite eyeshadow palette, like you guys already know. I'm going to use that brown shade and just use that as a transition color. I don't want anything too deep for my transition, but I still want it to be defined. So I'm going in with the black shade and just blend that as well to sort of deepen the shade, but nothing too much. But as at this point, I thought it was like too much, so I went ahead with the first brush I use and a little bit of the brown shade and just blend it to calm everything down. I'm going in with my Avo eyeshadow primer and I'm going to be using that primer to just cup my eyelid. You know, I'm doing like a really subtle and not intense cut crease. You know, I did not extend the crease to where my crease line actually is, so I just did like a little bit, nothing too much. After cutting my crease, I'm going to be taking those two shades from my Miss Yahoo palette. It's a green and a blue shade, mixing both shades together because it's Christmas and this look is inspired by Christmas. So I wanted to do something with a pop of color, but nothing too much at the same time. Something shimmery, calm, you know, the mixed vibe. So I went ahead with my eyeliner and just give me a really nice wing alongside with my cut crease. So we're just going to be doing what we did in the first eye and the second eye, and here we go. I'm going with my spray, my Kiss Beauty Green Tea Setting Spray. I'm going to use that as a primer because I legit do not have any primer. And I'm going ahead with my NYX Glow. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the name in the description bar because I forgot the name, okay? So I'm going to be using that and putting it all over my face, but at this point I couldn't blend it properly, so I went ahead with my setting spray to sort of create like a smooth blend as well to help me blend further. I'm going with my two favorite foundation, my favorite mixture. I'm just going to mix that foundation and put it in my skin and just blend that foundation into my skin. Yes. So guys, something that happened in between this foundation, yeah, I did not mix it properly, so I have to take my time to blend it. Like I always say, if you're mixing two shades of foundation, you want to mix it properly before putting it on your face. I'm going in with same concealer but a different shade, a bit more lighter than what I use for my eyelid, and I'm going to be highlighting underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, my chin, and my forehead. Going in with my sponge and just blend that out as well, making sure to press or dab while I blend because you don't want to rub your concealer. It will give you patches if you do that, and you don't want that with your makeup. Reverse contouring with the remnants from the sponge, and I'm going to be cleaning my eyeliner with that concealer. I'm being careful doing this because I don't want to ruin my eyebrow as well. Blending. One of the key steps you want to do in makeup is blend. You don't want to stop blending. Blending can never be overrated when it comes to makeup. Blend my forehead as well. So guys, what happened is that I forgot to actually blend the bridge of my nose. I just went ahead with my foundation brush and just blend all the harsh lines. But I forgot to blend, like, yeah, I forgot. You see that? So I had to blend it first before going in and setting my face. I'm going in with the Pond's powder to set my face. Normally, I will not use this alone. I legitimately mix the Pond's powder with setting powder, different setting powder to just, set my face. But this, no, I will not do this alone, guys. So I went ahead and just set my face using the sponge, but it wasn't working, so I had to switch to a brush and set my entire face. Going ahead with a big powder brush and just blend out every of the excesses. I went ahead to do this because my eyebrow was already looking white, like they can't see them. I'm going in with my jo Jordana, yeah, my Jordana chocolate powder, and just use that to contour my face as well. Going in with that brown shade from my eyeshadow palette and use that to contour my face to make it intense because the Jordana was just looking so ashy at a point. So I had to switch. I used that same eyeshadow to contour my nose, which made my nose contour pretty harsh, but we roll with it. I'm going in with my Avon powder in Fawn. I'm going to use that to blend my entire face. I'm taking those two shades and using them as a blush from my eyeshadow. Yes, guys, you got to improvise regardless. I'm going in with the chinkini, the small thing that is still remaining in my setting powder. I'm just going to use that to just place it on everywhere because the Pond's powder was not doing it for me at all. I went ahead to just, line my waterline, go ahead with the eyeshadow and just blend those red shade underneath because red is still part of Christmas color. And I went in with gold. Of course, gold is part of Christmas color. And funny enough, the gold was a glitter. And I went ahead to, use that silver shade in my cupid bow. Guys, highlighting my face with the eyeshadow. Guys, you got to improvise. Like, I just got to improvise because I needed to do this makeup tutorial for you guys. I went ahead with the same eyebrow pencil that I used to draw my brows, which is the Davas eyebrow pencil. I used this to line my lip, and I went ahead with my favorite nude lipstick, Miss Rose, and I just put that at the center to create a very nice ombre lip. And I went ahead with my medial lip gloss, like I said in my last video. It's actually one of my favorite glosses, so I went ahead with this gloss. And you don't want to do Christmas weather without gloss, like what? I went ahead with my setting spray for some finishing and just spray my face, and this was actually what made the makeup like better. And yeah, we're done. Like, check, like, what, like, why are you so cute, like, baby girl, honey? So guys, this is it for this makeup video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any content from me. And don't forget, I love you guys more, but God loves you most.